My name is Mark Valchich, and I work at the town of East Gwillimbury. I'm the Deputy Chief Administrative Officer at the town. Well, we thought it was awesome. We were really excited. We certainly didn't develop the program with the view of trying to win a prize. We developed the program because we wanted to have a really simple to implement change management program within our organization that would really foster creativity, innovation, and positive change. And when we were finished, we've seen such incredible results from the program and such positive impacts that we documented it well. We have a pretty good framework that we're following, and so to see that that's been recognized by this organization and sort of on a national level, it really validates what we thought was a good program. It sort of reinforces for us that we've really made a pretty great achievement here, and it really meant a lot to us to be recognized in this way. We really appreciate it. So we got together with a company called Diverse Systems Group, and in collaboration we developed this program called the Municipal Peak Performance Program. And really it was I think what was special about it is, and what is special about it, is it's very simple. It's 5 or 6 key steps that we follow to not only generate ideas for improved efficiency, effectiveness, and program and service delivery, but a methodology and a discipline and some standards around how we're going to plan and manage and report on projects and initiatives in a consistent way. And really probably the topper for us is how are we going to embed that into our day-to-day lives and culture within the organization. So we've created a culture statement that's based on 4 fundamental commitments around customer service, lifelong learning, creativity and innovation, and partnerships and collaboration. And that was developed with staff through a very creative engagement exercise, and we use those commitments in everything from the basis upon which we make decisions for hiring, our goal setting both individually and collectively, and then how we're managing and evaluating performance both individually and collectively. So the program is very simple. It's very easy for us to follow. And after 3 years of kind of working on it internally, it's become just a part of the way we do business. And we've seen savings of up to and including $6 for every dollar invested in the program. So we're starting to see real big payback, and that's really what this has been all about, is providing the very best value for money for our residents that we can, and to engage our our staff in that process. And I will also say just briefly that although we would have seen this change at the ground root and grassroots level anyways, one of the things that was helpful to us was really sort of getting our council and our senior management team on board early, and sort of having their support and commitment to this sort of way of thinking. And it's been great. And one of the other things that I'll also mention that's probably been key to this program is the creation of something called a Business Solutions Advisory Team. And that was done fairly early in the program, where we identified a number of what we call change champions within our organization. And those folks were put together into a team where the whole purpose for their getting together was to unleash some of that capacity and creativity and innovation. And so that's really been a big part of the success of this program. I would also say that although it may seem odd, with the onset of COVID and the global pandemic, the extended state of local emergency that our municipality, many municipalities are in, The silver lining from a modernization and transformation point of view was that we were forced to do business differently very quickly. We were very lucky that we had this framework for the Municipal Peak Performance Program developed, that we started that back in 2018. It was also supported by some very timely provincial investments in Ontario in 2019, and then the onset of COVID, and it really sort of enabled us to really, I guess, be successful through a period that has been very, very challenging for many. So that's kind of the opportunity that we saw and what we were seizing to achieve as a result.